Hi, my name is Emma Rodwin, and I work with the intermediate program here at Butler Montessori. One of the things that I want to talk to you about is the intermediate microeconomy program. This is one of the most unique aspects of our adolescent program, in which our adolescent or middle school students are responsible for running their own self-sustaining microeconomy program. So what does that look like exactly? Here on our campus, they have their own chicken coop with our flock of chickens that they have to take care of every day. We have a passive solar greenhouse where they grow herbs and other plants year-round. They also have a grow room in the basement of our building where they will start seeds. And the point of the microeconomy is for them to understand how when they spend money to buy seeds, how those seeds grow into plants that they can then harvest and sell at their weekly farmers market. And all the money that they make at their farmers market gets brought back into the microeconomy. So in this way, they are learning about real world skills, they are learning entrepreneurship, they are understanding how to work with other people in a sustainable business model and what that really means to run a successful business and make profit.